Yeah. I tell you, man, I saw the thing set still, we don't know. So the thing set. Yeah, so where you not come from? Where you not come from the night?
I come from Churchill in the night and
see.
I go up and the hours and police draw down for me.
Yeah.
I try to intimidate me. You see me?
Yeah.
I said, boy, what you feel that?
Yeah.
You have not feel that? I say, yes, officer. I have something feel that. What you feel that? Love and respect, sir. You see me? I love and respect me for the officer. Straight, you see me? Yeah? You feel slow me when I go through, man. I know, say, yo, get you, get to you, you see me?
Yeah, so they must laugh.
I'll be a laugh, them laugh, man. Be a laugh, them laugh of them face. Sweet, the officer, them. Yeah, I couldn't do nothing. Real bad boy, police, them, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they know, so me hard working, you see me, you see me? So then,
they can tell say you're a bad man though, because police can see things too.
yeah, man. Police look on you and judge you, you see me? Say, yo, just to you carry yourself and...
Yeah, until you're humble and cool and know say that boy is dangerous.
Because then, through them see we can't enough here and thing, you know. They say, yo, boy, they're just like a gangster, you know. You see me? So them come to check out them, wicked. Try down for you somewhere. Search and dig out. Yeah? But there's a boy always try clean, you see it?
See it now.
When I step out on the street, you see it?
Only a big old dirty night. Well,
yeah, man. More time I have my life, man, and more time I left it to, man. I work with the mind and the spirit, you know.
yeah.
Every man have a man in them, you know. You talk to them more.
Yeah, you have to listen to it. If you keep yourself clean, we talk back to you.
Yeah, man.
And guide you if you keep yourself, but you have to keep yourself clean.
Yeah, man.
And the more cleaner you keep yourself, and the more you're in a man, the lead you good, you see me?
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, man.
We don't want a negative thing in our road up on me, you see me?
See it then.
We go up on the road and with the long knife and police stop you. You see me? You even can't find 4 feet more well. And police are going to carry you, lock you up.
I make you more hungry.
Make you more hungry, you see me? And hungry too. You see me? Because and then police have got money in the dog. Too many more wild in the dog. And every man they make jail on themselves and stay out there do better. You know? You see me? More wild when they drop on jail and arrest them, you know? Yeah, man. More wild when they drop on jail or prison and them punish them, man. Arrest them, gun them, man. But me never try. I do no prison work and jail work, you see me? Only now, if a war thing, I don't know. If a war kick off, I don't know how to kick off war so. Boy, if I start war with me, I will defend that, you know. You see me?
Same.
You're aggressive, but when I use it, when I use the brute force, man.
See it.
You see me? And pull up.